Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check used coupons in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to check your used coupons in Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. After opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us just beside the categories. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to find the coupon and offers option available for us over here just above the credit balance. Tap on coupons and offers, and we will be over here where you will be able to view your unused coupons. But at the top of the screen, guys, you can see we are currently on the unused section. But if you tap on the used section over here, all of your used coupons on Temu will be available for you on this interface. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to check your used coupons in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.